Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Home remedies to get rid of fire ants. Baking soda and vinegar. First, locate the mound of fire ants, fence it off and wear on the long gloves, sleeves, and boots in order to protect yourself against the fire ant bites. Prepare a mixture of baking soda and vinegar, then pour it in the nests or mounds of fire ants through the openings of the mounds. Continue doing this for several days until you get rid of fire ants. You may also purchase a commercial poison and pour it in the nests of fire ants. This is effective especially for destroying the queen. Boiling water. This method is useful in eradicating as well as killing the fire ants. You just need to boil some water, which is enough to treat the fire ants infested area. Drench or soak the fire ants mounds with this boiled water. But be vigilant while handling boiled water. This method is labor intensive. Insecticide. It is a good remedy for how to get rid of fire ants. For indoor use, you need to purchase an insecticide and then spray it on the entry points of fire ants. But first test it by spraying it on the small portion of wood and fabrics, etc., as it may destroy or stain the surface. For outdoor use, you need to buy an insecticide dissolvable in water, then drench the fire ant mounds with it following the instructions mentioned on the container after wearing the protective gloves and clothing. Fire ants bait. You need to purchase fire ant bait, then sprinkle it on the ground infested by fire ants at the time when fire ants go out in search of food following the instructions labeled on the bait. Do it when there is no expectation of rain in next 24 hours. This method may take time to show its results, such as 5 to 10 weeks when using bait, but its benefits are for a long term, and this treatment may last up to a year.